Hi everybody and welcome to your next craft pack. For those of you who were lucky enough to get a pack, this week we are looking at doing a family canvas with your handprints. So you should have all received a pack that looks like this and an A3 size canvas. Inside your pack you have, just bear with me, 4 pots of paints in 4 different colours, a paintbrush, a little pot of PVA glue, some scissors, a spatula for your glue. These are the brackets that you need for the back of your canvas to hang it on the wall. Some A4 cards and a sheet with some ideas of what you can do with your handprints on your canvas. So again, this pack is kind of for you to be creative. So we have said handprints, however you can do footprints as well if you like. So the idea is you paint your hand, you pop them down on the card. You could probably fit a big hand and a smaller hand on each card. Again, with your footprints you can do that. Apologies about the bus. And then use your scissors to cut round them. You will then end up with, here's some I prepared earlier, some handprints. So you could also use your card, if you didn't want to do pink handprints on them, you could use your cards to cut out some stencils. So if you look at the sheet that you've got inside your pack, you'll see here it says love, and then there's handprints actually around the word love, and there's one that says family. So you could actually cut a stencil out of your card and place that down onto your canvas, and then do your handprints over the top of it, and then remove the card and have the word in the middle. So I would recommend probably blue tacking them down if you've got some blue tack at home. Obviously don't stick them down with a glue because then you won't be able to remove them, so you won't see the full effect. So again, if you want to just paint your handprints and put them straight onto the canvas, that's absolutely fine. We've done them on card because obviously you may end up going wrong and stuff like that. So once you've painted your hands either on the canvas or done your stencils, it's then there for you to get creative. So there isn't a lot I can really show you. We have given you a printout of some ideas of stuff that you can do, so you can sort of layer up the hands, put them in a line, make a family tree. So there's loads of ideas. You can also Google handprint canvas ideas, and it will give you many more. But if you could send us your creations, what you've made, we'd really appreciate it. And thank you.